And within purchase order entry, you've got a number of different options here to enter in transactions. So you can do a standard PO, you can do a drop ship PO, a blanket PO, or a drop ship blanket PO. With a standard PO, which is the most used with the majority of our customers, you're going to just tab through and enter in the PO number. Typically, this is going to default in. The buyer ID, this can be set up for a list of, based on the list of users you have in GP. And what a lot of times we use this field for is just to show who's requesting that PO. A lot of our customers don't use purchase order requisitions, but we can populate that requisition, quote-unquote, information by using the buyer ID. Then you're going to have the date, and that's going to default in. And then you get to your vendor ID. And in your vendor ID, you can either start typing, and that'll give you, based on how you have set up the assist for starting the vendor ID information, or you can click on the lookup. So I'm going to choose my vendor. Within this vendor, I can do also a record level note. Whenever you have a note down on a line like this, this is a record level note. The difference being this note would stay particular with my Advanced Office Systems vendor versus if I did a window level note from up at the top, that note is going to stay with the purchase order entry window. So whenever I'm on entering a purchase order, I would see the note there. Within the notes, and I'll just open up this record level note, you can go in and you can enter in note information for this vendor. And anytime you see a paperclip within this window, you can go in and attach a document. Now the document attachment management has been updated within GP as well. And one of the things that they have done is now when you're attaching documents, these documents are actually stored in the SQL database. So they're getting backed up when your databases are getting backed up, which is a huge change. Within this, then, I can go out and look for a document that I want to attach. I can scan a document in here if I want to. I can preview that document if it's available, and I can attach. So I'm going to